Hello, Professor. My name is Seeman Vasekar, and today I'll be taking you through my Amazon Small Business application. So this is my portfolio. I'll just quickly scroll through the pages and sections here. So I've just mentioned my professional skills here and my projects here and my experience and a contacts page. So I'll quickly go into the Amazon Small Business feature here. So here, as you can see, I have tried to firstly develop um, my ideation here. So the ideation works something like this, that I had to design an application, a feature which is going to help promote minority businesses. It should make the users believe in the cause of buying from these sections, as well as give the Amazon small businesses a very clear visibility on the Amazon platform. Also, one of the major important things was to have easy navigation and abundant visibility of the SMB products overall through the application. So to answer these questions, I thought of developing a logo using the Gestalt principles, wherein, as you can see, this is also looking like a heart and a hand, which shows a community handshake. So this, as soon as you look at this logo, it will give you an idea of supporting the community and also spreading love. So the design process remains the same, that we first understand the problem, ideate, explore, and then materialize them. So in the initial first week of this particular project, we had a group discussion wherein we answered few important questions of the visibility, as well as where do we want this product, how heavy do we want this product to be. Like, do we want it to be a very heavy feature which takes up the entire design of Amazon, every product of Amazon, or do we even just want it to be a section? So I answered this question in a way where I thought it should just be a very dedicated section, which where the users could navigate themselves into and buy those products, but also be rewarded throughout the Amazon experience. So for that, what I developed was the idea of having Amazon SMB credit points. So the SMB credit points could be gained by buying every single product of the SMB section, but the credit points gained could be applied towards every purchase of Amazon, which makes it more inclusive on the Amazon platform for other users as well, by not being unfair to them. So as you can see, if the project goes well, what are the outcomes of it? So it would definitely promote a lot of awareness, diversity, inclusion, as well as it could serve as a platform which will uh, give a helping hand to all the small communities, and they would also be profitable from the platform. And we did a quick rapid comparative analysis of other businesses like Facebook and Shopify, and they already had a system wherein they had incorporated small businesses and public agencies, local deals, stuff like that. But Amazon is new in this section and did not really have a feature to support this process. So as I mentioned, I had initially designed the logo, and I also defined clear entry points to my section so that the user knows where to go and why to buy from them. So if you can see that I have tried to incorporate the support minority sections here, these are my entry points to that support minority page. And I also have, I'll just like to highlight my key features here. So I have the a points system here, wherein I have, this is the way it looks. So every time you see a product and you see the Prime logo, you know that it's a Prime logo and you'll be getting Prime features there. So similarly, I've tried to incorporate the 12 SMB points logo thing. So whenever the user sees the sign, he knows that he's going to gain some benefits from buying from these particular sections. So I've also tried to make this community page, and on these community pages, we have dedicated pages for each shop in the SMB communities, and the seller are marked as SMB verified to attest credibility. So as you can see, the tick sign shows that the seller is verified by Amazon, so the user also knows that they are credible and they could trust them. And we also have follow features, so that every time a user follows a particular store, he'll be able to retain it. The customer base could be retained and the user could go back to them. So here in my process, firstly, I tried to make really detailed hand sketches this time, because I have quickly moved into the high fidelity prototype, skipping the wireframing part here. So as you can see, my hand sketches are really detailed, wherein I'm trying to list down every ideation that I have for the process. And so quickly moving into, I'll just quickly show you the demo here. So this is my application, and if I run it, yeah. So this is my homepage, and as you can see the visibility of the logo everywhere. I will quickly go into the, also, if I go into the account section, I could see that SMB credits has been incorporated as an actual feature into the Amazon ecosystem. So if you can see, you could see your SMB credit points here. You could also your SMB credits, like you have gift cards and other subscribe and save sections. You could go into them and weave your activities for that section. Similarly, you could also do it for the SMB section. So if you go into your SMB credits page, you'll just be given an overview of how the SMB section works and what all it means. And you could also weave your SMB corner, where you could see all the pages that you follow. And then if you go to the shop SMB store section, so this is my main landing page, wherein I have tried to segregate all the communities based on the ethnicities here. And we also have the follow feature of these communities. We also have the top SMB products of the week. So if you click on these images, you could avail the offers. And I'll quickly take you through one of the stores, Weave stores. So if you see, you can see the top product of the day. Again, you'll be able to see all the list of the stores which are there in that particular community. Also the categories that are served by that community. So if I weave the store, and this is the most important page of this section, that you'll be able to see if the user is verified, SMB verified. You can follow them. You could see all of the products, and in every product you're in the SMB section, you'll definitely have some points that you will gain with every purchase. So this gives the user a lot of happy shopping experience that he'll obviously gain every time he shops from this section. And this is also one page which was suggested to me by the user during the usability testing. I was suggested that I should have a communities page, which will give me an idea of give the users an idea of as to why they should buy from them. They'll also be able to get to know the community a little bit more. So in this section, I've tried to give a section wherein the sellers could have a video posted here about describing about the communities, and they could also get how it works. So they'll also tell the users how the SMB section works. These are just a few banners which shows the current offers that are going on for that particular section. And then if I go back, um, and if I just weave another store, so again, in the store, you could see all the categories, sections, meet the community. And here in this section, every single product that you see will have the SMB points marked. So whenever you go to this section, you are rest assured that you're definitely going to gain points. So let's just try to check out one of the products here. So if I check out this dress, so again, you'll be able to see the points on every single page, the way you see Amazon Prime, you'll be able to see it on every page. If you click on proceed to checkout, so here in the checkout page, you'll be able to see the SMB credits applied. So you'll be getting minus some dollars because you've bought from the SMB community section. So that was my prototype, Professor. And going forward, the future steps that I would like to incorporate is to add events page to the Know Your Community section, wherein just knowing your community, and the communities could also post the events that are going on. So it's like a dedicated page for that particular community. They could post their activities on their community section. So it gives them a recognition of their own on the platform. And that is it. Thank you, Professor.